Nobody tells you this, but feeling behind does not always mean you are failing. It usually means you are becoming something new. So take this walk with me. It might change the way you see your life. Welcome everyone. Sir Guano Moldy Cheese welcome you today on another walk through Northeast Minneapolis. If everyone else seems ahead of you and you're wondering what went wrong, today I want to tell you nothing did. You are not broken. You are just in a slow season. And being in a slow season is not always a bad thing. You know, there's something powerful about walking through a neighborhood like this. Sidewalks you've seen 100 times. Houses that all look a little different, but yet a little bit the same. Cars parked where they always are. People living their lives, mostly unseen. And yet, today feels different because you are here, listening and watching. So wherever you are right now, walking, driving, sitting on your couch, or lying in your bed, I want you to take a breath with me. In and out. This video isn't about grinding harder. It's not about hustling until you're exhausted. It's not about becoming someone else. It's about remembering who you already are and realizing you are not as far behind as you think. Look at this street. Some houses are old. Some are more modern. Some need work. Some are in great shape. Some are loud. Some are quiet. And yet, none of them are behind. They're just where they are. Somewhere along the line, we started treating life like a race. Like there's a universal timeline that we are all supposed to follow. By this age, you should have this. By now, you should be there. If you don't, something must be wrong with you. But you know, that is a lie. Growth does not happen on a schedule. It happens in seasons. And sometimes the season you're in right now might look slow from the outside. But slow doesn't mean stuck. Slow doesn't mean failing. Slow often means becoming. Walking teaches you something that running never will. You notice things. You notice cracks in the sidewalk, leaves moving in the trees. Well, in the summertime. You notice you're breathing. And in life, when you slow down just enough, you start noticing things that actually matter. Let's be honest. Most of the pressure we, as a society, are feeling right now, it didn't come from inside of us. It came from comparison. Comparing ourselves while scrolling through people's highlight reels, seeing success without context, watching others win while you feel like you're still figuring things out. But here's what no one tells you. You are comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's edited moment. You don't see their doubts. You don't see their debts. You don't see their fears. You don't see their nights wondering if it's all worth it. Everyone is walking their own street. You just don't see it from the outside. And here's the truth. A truth that might sting a little. If you keep measuring your worth by someone else's life, you'll never feel like you're enough, even when you are. So today, while we are walking, I want you to drop the scoreboard. This walk is not about keeping up. It's about staying present. Every step I'm taking right now looks insignificant, but take enough of them, and suddenly you are somewhere else. And that's how change actually works. Not in massive breakthroughs every day, not in overnight transformations, but in small, boring decisions. Getting up when you don't feel like it. Choosing honesty over comfort. Showing up just one more time. Taking the walk instead of staying stuck in your head. You don't need motivation to take the next step. You need permission. Permission to start messy. Permission to be imperfect. Permission to move forward without having the whole map. Because clarity doesn't come before action, it comes from action. And walking reminds us of that. You don't think your way down the block, you walk it. Think about this for a moment. There were times you didn't think that you'd make it. Moments where you felt lost, broken, exhausted, or alone. And yet, you're still here. Still breathing, still trying, still listening to a video like this, hoping for something better. That means something. You are not weak for feeling tired. You're strong for carrying everything that you have. And sometimes motivation isn't about firing yourself up. It's about being gentle enough to keep going. You don't need to prove your worth to anyone. You already did, just by surviving what you've been through. Right now, this exact moment counts more than you think. Not the version of you from 5 years ago, not the future version who has it all figured out. This one, the one walking, the one listening, the one trying to make sense of things. Life doesn't happen all at once. It happens in moments like this. Quiet ones, unimpressive ones, ordinary ones. And if you learn to show up for moments like this, one day you'll look back and realize that it was these moments that were shaping everything. So don't rush through life waiting for it to start. It is already happening. Before we finish this walk, I want to give you something simple. Nothing dramatic, nothing overwhelming. Just this. When you feel lost, walk. When you feel stuck, move. When your mind is loud, let your feet remind you that you're still going. You don't need a perfect plan. You need momentum. And momentum starts with one step. As we wrap this up, I want you to remember something clearly. You are not broken. You are not behind. You are not failing. You are in progress. And progress does not always look impressive. Sometimes it looks like taking a walk and choosing not to give up today. If this video found you at the right time, let it be a reminder. Keep walking. Keep showing up. Keep going. You don't have to sprint. Just don't stop. Thank you for joining me today. We will see you on the next walk. As always, look to the future, but remember the past. Peace.